The HIV prevention injection lenacapavir is given twice a year or every after 6 months as a pre-exposure prophylaxis. But in some developed countries, it's also used as treatment for people living with HIV. Dr. Flavia Matovu, a director of research at Makerere University, Johns Hopkins University Research Collaboration, said the drug comes in handy.
This drug is so effective because it's been tested before in people living with HIV, and now it's being used as a salvage regimen. If someone has failed on the first line, second line, third line, this drug comes in handy and is able to suppress viral load, the virus that causes HIV in people who are heavily treatment experienced. And therefore, because it is so potent, so effective, and yet has a very long half-life, the indication was changed by the manufacturer to now also be used for prevention.
The Uganda population-based impact assessment shows an estimated 730 HIV new infections every week. HIV testing and treatment centers like AHF Uganda Cares are optimistic that this injection will reduce the current high HIV prevalence.
Mostly the clients receive here, like this is an HIV clinic, we have people who are taking treatment. So some of them have partners and they're in a dose-dependent relationship. So this is a very good drug for them because some of them have been doing the oral prep where they're taking a pill every day. And so they're excited because they're going to receive an injection that is going to be just twice in 1 year. So it's a very exciting news for them, and they're all looking forward to getting this drug.
There are mixed reactions among some Ugandans on the new HIV prevention injection drug, even before it's rolled out in the country.
HIV prevention injection is a very good initiative. One to hope, to strengthen the relationship between the discordant couples. But at the same time, it has to be distributed with a lot of caution to the members of public, because most of them will be going out sleeping irresponsibly, because of course they'll be knowing that they have that injection that will help them to protect them from acquiring HIV and AIDS. If at all they go and have irresponsible sex with people who have already acquired HIV and AIDS.
It's extremely costly, and hence it is access restrictive because of the cost and the price. So very importantly for me, for this drug to be readily available for the populations, it is important that discussions are held to lower the price, but also give patenting rights for local manufacturers to be able to manufacture these drugs locally so that it can be accessed by the population.
The Uganda AIDS Commission head, HIV prevention, Dr. Dan Byamukama, says the government is in talks with the manufacturers of lenacapavir and the donors to enable many Ugandans to access the injection.
We are already making arrangements with our donors, especially at the Global Fund, to make sure resources are available to buy enough doses for those who may benefit from this drug. I must emphasize that this new drug, lenacapavir, twice-year injection that offers 100% protection, will be prioritized for people at highest risk, people who have failed to benefit from the already existing interventions.
At least over 1.4 million Ugandans are living with HIV. The introduction of lenacapavir will scale down the infections alongside existing tools like condoms, being faithful, and antiretroviral treatment.